Before we start, this is the first episode of Evil Rocko Gets Grounded. His parents will be Rocko, Heffley, and Filbert Shellbach, making them a polygamous married couple. Anyways, today's episode is Evil Rocko destroys the school bell and gets grounded. Enjoy!
Hi, I'm Evil Rocko. And today, I'm going to destroy the school bell with a hammer so I won't need to go to class. Ha 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 ha. Yes! I destroyed the school bell. Now I won't have to take lessons anymore.
Hey, Evil Rocko. What are you doing here?
I just destroyed the school bell.
What? Oh my god. I can't believe you destroyed the school bell with a hammer. That cost $50. Go to the principal's office.
So, Evil Rocko, why are you here?
I just destroyed the school bell.
Oh my god! Evil Rocko, how dare you destroy the school bell? Do you know how much it cost? That's it. You are suspended for 100 days. Go home now.
At Evil Rocko's house.
My evil clone. I can't believe you destroyed the school bell and got suspended for 100 days. That's it. You are grounded until the 30-year anniversary of Rocko's modern life. Go to your room now.
The end.